To change snooze recurring of the wake up alarm in the sleep mode on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find mode and routine. Tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode section, tap sleep. Tap turn on automatically. Next, tap your current sleep schedule. Scroll down the screen. Tap snooze. When this option is on, you can see some snooze option available in the screen. Under repeat section, select the option you like to use. As the example, we will select 5 times. Tap the back key. Tap save button. And then tap done button to save the change. With this setting, when the wake up alarm in the sleep mode rings, you can snooze it for 5 times. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.